It's super sunny today. Look at that. This is the kind of weather I love. It's not hot. It feels like spring is around the corner, but like we know here in Canada, it's like pretend spring, then winter again, and then it's maybe spring.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
My IKEA order is here. And you see that chair over there? That's my new chair, my filming chair. I don't know if I'll film myself, maybe like speed building my mom drawer. But anyways, I'm excited for that so I can start filming again. But I also got my monitor. So we're gonna be switching things around. And I'm just like really excited. Actually, right now I'm making myself some lunch. I know I look crusty as fuck. Don't come for me. But yeah, my order is here. Little update. Hey guys, so I look like crap and I feel like shit at the moment, and I'm this close to crying because oh my god, let me just show you guys this bullshit. Oh god. Currently putting down the mom drawer because at this point, like, I don't want to move anything because right now I'm doing like this really annoying thing of removing like these little like pins all around so I can like remove this because over here is broken. This over here snapped yesterday when it's like I had finished doing like the bulk of the thing, and then one of these bloody things came off and I'm like, oh, let me just turn it around and put it back. And as I was putting it back up, I grabbed one of the bits and it broke, and I was just like, yeah. So called IKEA to tell them what can I do, and okay, so this is where I have a problem with IKEA. Customer service. Let me just put it here. So basically, just told them about my problem. Like, oh, did you go in stores to buy it? Was it online? Da, da, da. I was like, oh, I bought it online. They're like, do you still have your order? I was like, yeah, I do. Like, they're like, okay, cool, no problem. You just have to go in stores and bring your receipt, and you're gonna give you know. Oh fuck, I think my cat is outside. I need to bring her back inside. So I went to IKEA, and like, so I don't have a car yet, so I went with Uber. So I was like, okay, cool, I have my receipt, I have my identity card. I just brought everything that I thought would be important for the recuperation of like the missing bits that are broken. And gosh, it's so annoying. Like, I really want to cry right now because it's just like so frustrating, because I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this all on my own, and it's so dumb. And I know like I'm dumb for like thinking this way, but it's just like, I'm like, can't I do anything right? Built the thing with Jero, and now it's like I got to do this one thing on my own, and I just like fuck it up, and it's just like frustrating. Anyway, so go in stores. I'm like, you know what, it's gonna be fast. Let me just, plus you're gonna be giving me this stuff for free, so cool beans. So I go, and she's like, oh, did you bring the stuff? I was like, what stuff? Like the broken things, because basically what we're gonna do is, so take note, if ever you need to bring back something to IKEA because like it's broken or damaged or something, make sure you're bringing that broken or damaged thing to IKEA. This is so freaking ridiculous. Anyway, so I was like, okay, cool. So this was a whole thing of going to IKEA for nothing, because like the dude on the phone could have told me, don't forget to bring the broken pieces. Like, so I went to IKEA for nothing. So So as per usual, I'm looking like shit because why not? We're on the street, right? I swear one day I'm gonna look good in one of these vlogs, but this is just me on a regular. So update, came to IKEA, got the broken stuff. Can you see that? Yeah, I got the broken stuff. It's always so weird to like vlog in public, but I'm never gonna see these people ever again anyways. So I got the stuff that I need, and the weather is so nice. Like I have like my little jacket here, but like I don't need it because it's actually really nice. I don't know what the temperature is, but yeah, so I got my stuff, really excited. It's super nice. The guy who helped me like with all this stuff, obviously, like, you know, customer service, all that shit, but I must say IKEA A1 for that one. Not for the customer service on the phone, but for this one, yeah, A1. Plus made them a little extra effort, give me some other things and advice and stuff, so really appreciate it. So right now I'm waiting for my Uber to arrive. But guys, look at how sunny it is outside. This is so nice. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Black hoodie. Oh yeah, let me do a little OTD. Black hoodie and then shoes. It's actually, the weather is so nice that I didn't even, like, I'm just wearing like regular sneakers, and it just feels nice to be able to wear regular sneakers. Totally random, but yeah. So yeah, little update. I'm gonna go home, finish constructing this, empty my living room and all that stuff. So excited to say the least. Hey, so it's actually a couple of hours later, a lot of hours later. It's like 2 minutes past 11 p.m. and it's not done, but the frame is done and I'm really excited. I'm just like really happy because G helped me, because I was just like traumatized. I was like, I don't want to do some bullshit and just break it all over again. So I'm actually happy he was here to help me because some drilling needed to be done, and I know I could have figured it out myself, but like I get so anxious and I just make stupid and dumb mistakes that I'm happy that he's just there to kind of like calm me down and like so I can like see straight. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. So right now I've already taken a shower, so I'm happy about that, and I'm just gonna do the dishes and watch Love Island and go to bed. Hey, after sweat and tears and no hammering on my fingers, it is done. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look at this. Oh, I'm excited. So still messy. I'm about to, let me just back it up a little bit. I'm about to take care of all the mess and pack it back into my beauty room. So I might do a time lapse, I don't know, but time for me to get into it. Hello! You made it this far. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for watching this like impromptu type of like makeover video. That's why there's not so much of me building stuff, because before I realized and told myself, okay, I'm actually gonna share this process with you guys, a lot of the stuff had kind of arrived. But anyway, I still hope you do enjoy it. Like, honestly, I know it doesn't seem like much and it's just like one thing that has changed, but it changes everything because now it's all in one location, and I still have to like sort out how I'm gonna truly put away my makeup in there. But so far I'm really happy because not only do I have storage for my makeup, I also have storage for my hair stuff and my gear, and it's all in one location, and it's just everything is even. I love that. It puts my soul at ease. Now I have like a spinning chair, like I can't stop feeling myself. Also, my back feels way better. All the details of the stuff I showed or mentioned or anything, I'm gonna be putting them in the description box below, so don't hesitate to check them out. And also, whilst you're at it, you should check me out on Instagram at ELROSADDICTION, and there will be a makeover video for my living room, but we're still waiting on 2 items that are kind of like, one of them is not on back order but another one is, and it's not shipping until like 26th of April. But with all this CV going on, I wonder how that's gonna affect that. But expect that video end of April, beginning of May probably. But yeah, I'm really excited to share that with you. I hope you like this kind of content. And you know what, if you haven't done it already, subscribe to my channel and also check out some of the videos that you see on here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.